channel, guys. Another 110 degree weather here in Houston. We've been building a lot of cars lately, so we try to film as many as possible. We don't get to all of them, but another one behind me, Mr. Went's 2017 C7 Z06, super low miles, only 7,000 miles on this thing. It is a beautiful car in great condition. Came to us stock with only a Corsa exhaust on it, and he got our 800 horsepower package. Again, guys, after talking to the customer, and I tell this, and if you've watched our previous videos, the 800 horsepower package for the LT4s is for your average guy out there that just wants more performance, to be able to daily drive the car, sacrifice no drivability, and be super reliable. 700 rear wheel horsepower on C7s is more than enough for a weekend toy. Granted, I know y'all see we build 800, 1500 rear wheel horsepower cars all the time, but if you're out there with an LT4 platform and you want to pull into a parking lot, do a car show, and let people hear that cam, and you want it to drive nice and just have, you know, another 150, 200 horsepower more than stock, this package is the way to go. So not only does this car look good on the outside, our standard 800 horsepower package pretty much looks stock under the hood. The main thing that points out, obviously, the RotoFab cold air. You get the green belt because we run a ATI balancer to spin the supercharger harder. Stainless steel headers, high flow cats. He has the Corsa exhaust, and then of course our complete cam package, which we remove the cylinder heads, change all the lifters, we get rid of the DOD lifters. That way we can run a 600 plus lift cam in this. And again, the way this thing chops with the Corsa on it, it sounds incredible. So Mr. Went, again, car's perfect in my opinion. Going all the way back to Kentucky. The only thing I would change when you get it back, once these tires get worn out, put a Toyo on it. That way if you want to hook up a little bit better in first and second gear. But besides that, this thing is beautiful. So let me fire it up so you can hear it. As y'all can tell, that Corsa exhaust is very loud. We do normally recommend keeping the factory dual mode, just for the reason of if you're on the highway and you want it to be quiet, you can have it quiet or loud. But for you customers out there that want it to be louder all the time, I do recommend the Corsa. It's my favorite sounding catback exhaust system. So Mr. Went, cleaned up, she's ready to go. We'll set up transport and get it back to you all the way back to Kentucky. Enjoy it. Until next time, guys. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Give it a like if you liked it so far. And please turn on bell notifications for future content, as we have cool stuff in the pipeline that you're going to want to see. And as always, please comment below.
Check it. I'll check gas right now if it doesn't. Oh, you just got you a sticker?
What we do to this one again? Ooh. Justin?
What do we do to it?
Yeah.
Just fix oil leaks.
Rear main?
We did the front.
Oh,
remember?
front cover gasket in the front seal?
Yeah. Front cover, front, then we did the oil pan. We put a steering wheel on.
That's right, you're gonna come back for a rear main if it's how bad it is, right? Rear main and nitrous. I just want to get on video. This thing sounds gangster as shit.
Check your gas real quick. We need to get gas.
I forgot, and then we'll bring it back, and then we'll tune it and shit after you drive it. fully built LME motor, solid roller, nice intake. Fixed oil leaks on it. He's gonna go drive it. I think the rear main seal is still leaking, so he's gonna put miles on it, bring it back so we can check it. Probably fix the rear main seal, check the clutch, and then we'll put it back on the dyno to tune it. It sounds so good though. I love these cars. Yeah, I love those cars, dude.
All 80 right there?
Yeah, straight E85. Those cars are so, man, I love those cars. You guys out there sending your cars to us for performance packages now. As always, we've offered this for a couple years now. We've been working with Greg. Just know it is something I highly recommend, especially our customers that do drag race a lot, that do road race a lot, that do put a lot of miles on their car to keep the car protected. So years down the road, the car still looks like a brand new vehicle. And even if 3 years down the road you decide to sell your vehicle and you are a road race guy, and it has, so I've owned my 06 Viper, had this done to it. The front end was beat up. The clear bar looked horrible after road racing it for probably a year and a half. I went to sell the vehicle, ripped that clear bar off, the paint looked brand new. So to me, it's a great investment on your $50,000 car or your $500,000 car. Either way you look at it, it protects the car, protects the paint, keeps the car looking good for now or 5 years from now. So I appreciate everything.
Absolutely.
And again, guys, you local guys that are in Texas, and if you're not, if you already have performance work done by us, or you don't even want performance work and you just want to protect your car, also hit us up and we'll get you squared away.